the big factors that you mentioned that you were drawn to EXP was the revenue share model, right? So as an investor, how did that kind of play into your business, and what did you see that? Why did you see that as something that was such a massive opportunity moving forward? And why do you think agents actually need that income stream, especially moving into this shift?
Yeah, I mean, so like residual income is the only thing that matters. I mean, if I was you, I'd put a sign on your wall, passive residual income, whatever it is, and stare at it all the time, because I tell people there's two people in life that you'll meet: those that have residual income and those that don't. And they either have never experienced it or don't understand what it can do for their life. And I talk to people all the time. They're like, yeah, I understand passive income, residual income. I say, well, what is it? How much do you have? And they're like, well, I don't have it, or I don't have any residual income. And that's like, you clearly don't understand it, because if you understood it, fundamentally the lifestyle change of what it would do for your protection, for your family, and the lifestyle that you have, you would go fight Conor McGregor right now in the ring with bare knuckles, right? You would literally fight a tiger to go get it, but you don't understand it, which is why you're not trying to achieve it, right? So what I realized early on with my poker career, if you guys watched the previous podcast, was I'm never going to trade my time for the rest of my life in and out through an active income model, right? I did it for almost a decade of my life, and I did it a lot even when I got into the real estate investment space, flipping houses and wholesaling. But that's not what gives you your freedom. Ownership of real estate, not flipping real estate. Residual income through over time, building a portfolio, right? So the difference between someone that makes $250,000 a year through selling real estate or flipping houses or wholesaling versus someone who makes $250,000 a year through rental portfolio or through revenue share, what's the difference? This person is working 60 to 100 hours a week. It's tied to their business, and every year they start over. This person is sitting on the beach or coaching their kids' soccer team, doing whatever they want with their life because they're financially free. Same dollar income into their life, the different income wave that they brought it in, active versus residual income, is the difference in the lifestyle, right? This person has to constantly kill for the rest of their life. Every year they have to go out there and produce again, like an athlete, right? Breakout years. Some people have peak years. The fluctuation of inactive income causes stress and anxiety and burnout. So some years you're going to have a great year. Some years are not going to be great. What if you had a baby, right? Very common in our industry. Like people, like a lot of my friends had children this past year and it hurt their businesses, right? Now, is that a bad thing? No, they have a family, they got a loved one. They come, so that they're trading their time, right? Whereas if they had built a residual income stream, they would now have the time with their loved one and their children and have the money to spend on them, right? So you need time and money freedom to have, emotional control in your business, because once you know that you have enough money coming in, regardless, that you don't have to pay your bills, you don't have to take a risk in life, the pressure of life comes off and you get to see clear. You get to actually meet yourself for the first time, is what I tell people. Now you can focus on all the other goals you had in life that you've been neglecting up until this moment. So financial freedom through residual income is exactly that. It gives you freedom. Financial income at a high level, depending if you're even making $500 million a year through an active income, is still something that's not going to give you your true freedom unless you invest that money. Because what happens is, as active income goes up, most people understand consumption goes up. They just make more and spend more. They go from a BMW to a Ferrari. They go from a small steak to a 20-ounce steak. They go from a dollar bottle of wine to a $100 bottle of wine, right? They just increase their lifestyle. They don't reinvest the money. So by creating residual income, you protect yourself against yourself in a way that if you spent all your money, guess what? There's more coming in next month, right? So I'm a big believer in use active income to create residual and equity models and spend as much as you want of the cash flow. I don't think you should ever go buy materialistic stuff or spend stuff out of active income, but you can spend as much as you want from a residual income stream because it's never going away, if that makes sense.